check this side. Yeah. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, in case it's your very first time here, welcome, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're returning by, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the people who have been supporting my channel, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your support. So guys, I'm just from the shop. I wanted to do laundry, but from the look of things, it's like I won't do it because it started raining now. Yep, we came here when it's a dry season, but again it's almost switching to rainy season. Guys, in case you're seeing me for the first time, I am Miss Hongo, a Kenyan Mombasa-based content creator. But right now, I am deep in the villages of Uganda, Ginger. Yes, I came here to visit my grandma. Yes, I'm half Kenyan, half Ugandan. So it's been almost 5 years since I saw her, and I decided to come and surprise her. We came together with Daudi countryside as well. She was very happy, super excited. Guys, it's raining and this side it hits hard. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna wash, because at the same time I need to go to the stream to fetch water. Yes, people fetch water at the boreholes, not next to the homes. That is where in my grandma's place, she doesn't have like a borehole at the compound, so we have to move down the stream to fetch water so that I can do laundry. Yes guys, we have a lot of dirty clothes. Yeah, those people who have been here, we left Sirare, just near Tanzania, and I came up with so many clothes. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. It is you. It's raining. So guys, yes, it's about to rain. I don't know if I'm gonna manage to wash with this type of weather. Yeah, what was I explaining? Yes guys, we left Nyabohanse village. We came here with a lot of hello. There's so many children. Yeah, one thing in this culture, when they greet you in English as hello, they won't kneel. But if they greet you in the Busoga language, they will definitely go down and kneel. Again, people are surprised. Many people are passing by and they're seeing me not kneeling and also walking in a hurry. Guys, when here you see a man, in regardless of which age, you have to go down and kneel, greet them, and then so when you proceed with your journey. So most of the people here, we've been here for, this is the end week. I think this is the fifth day or sixth day. Yeah, but I'm still adapting to the culture, not yet fully into it. Yeah, but hopefully I'll get used to it. We'll be here for quite some time now. We'll spend some time. We want to explore the place. Right now we haven't explored much, just a nearby neighborhood. Yes, you see how Ugandan people are very hardworking. Like literally, women go to the farm, they come back with firewood and start preparing lunch for wherever their kids. People here are very hardworking, and especially this side of my place, majority of farmers. Yeah, so that's what we are up to. With the rain, I don't know guys if I'm gonna work, if I'm gonna wash the clothes. Yeah, so as I said, also guys, suggest which type of content you'd want me to share with you as well. Remember your suggestions, you know, very important. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. Plus guys, we've been suffering with internet. Yeah. Internet here is an issue. We've been really suffering with internet connection. So bear with us. If you see the videos are delaying, probably it's because of the internet, because we have so many content lined up for you guys. So yeah, I'm already here at my grandma's place. That's Daudi countryside. That's the neighbors. We'll go and greet them as well. Let me go and have breakfast, guys. Okay. So guys, it is heavily raining. Sidewalks. I don't think if I'm gonna manage to, yeah, here I am. So I don't think if I'm going to manage to do laundry as I had planned earlier. So we will wait for the rain to stop. And here it rains with thunderstorm and lightning. Wow, look at the Tennessee string. Let me show you guys this side. Let me go and get my car. Kep. Oh no. The toilet has fallen down. Look at those kids. They're running. I don't know if you can see them. They're like, ooh, what are these people? Let me check this side. Guys, this one doesn't want to stand. And it's still morning hours. You can imagine. Oops. Hey guys, I'm afraid of the lightning. So guys, the rain has not stopped yet and I'm so scared of moving around. Look at the kids are walking naked. Daudi countryside is doing live stream, but unfortunately I can't go and film the kids because they don't have clothes. But yes, because of YouTube rules. I'm also scared because there is a lot of lightning and thunderstorm, and as you see, we have a lot of trees in here. Very many trees, and it's not advisable to sit under a tree or walking when it's raining. Daudi just risked to go and enjoy with those kids. So now my plans of doing laundry, yes, here I am. My plans of doing laundry has been postponed. Yeah guys, so my grandma is, those people who don't know, yes, I'm here at my grandmother's place. Yes, she is not even happy with the fact that I'm just seated by the door because of the rain. What's wrong? It's can't zoo. But you see here, the only countryside phone is not waterproof. Yeah. But again, I would wish to go to those kids. They are really having a fun time. But because of YouTube, and they're naked. Anyway guys, let's enjoy the rain together. if it was somewhere else, I could have just walked around. But here there's so many these trees around, and we have heavy thunderstorms. So let me just give you again another thunderstorm. Look at that fenesi. Fenesi is a jackfruit. So this is for my grandma. So this thing, I didn't know its lifetime. It can stay there forever until you cut it. Yeah, we have, yesterday we ate some. We have also some which are ready. Yeah, definitely we will go back home, but I don't know from here we are heading where. We might go to Sudan. Yeah, I'm not sure. We might go, but we are not going to Mombasa now. We've come to visit my place. This is my Ugandan side. Like seriously, Dawood is not even scared of again another lightning. Whoops! Look. It's not really scared of the rain, of the lightning and thunderstorm. But for me, in my village, it strikes people. And even my grandma is complaining that we should sit inside. I know as an old person, it gets pissed off. You are being called. Look, he's just standing under the tree. My grandma is not having it at all. It's like you need to sit down. And one thing, guys, I didn't even know that people of that age treat people like children. Like literally, if it reaches 6 and we're not yet back at home, or 7, you really have to make phone calls. Where are you guys? And we are even grown-up people. Then another thing, since we've been moving around, let's look at the kids. Ebu, come. Come. Where are you going? Come. You're going to fetch water? Yes. Chota maji, where? Wapi? Kuja salimia mimi basi. They don't. Come. Wewe salimia mimi. Usivotia. Mlunzi. Wewe unacheza na mvua? Mlunzi. Waenda kuleta maji wapi? Goa. Wapi Goa? So guys, these kids are just playing on the rain. Like they don't even care about thunderstorm. They don't care about thunderstorm and lightning. They're just enjoying. Yeah, that is pure village life for you. So I'll wait a little bit for the rain to another side. There is Dawoodi countryside, guys. He's not even scared.
Let me go back to those kids.
You see? He's not even scared of the lightning. Oh, there are so many kids up there. Yeah, so this is the upper side of my grandmother's house. Yeah, I think I've shown you how it looks like in the previous videos. One thing for sure, I don't know what he's gonna put on from there because yeah guys, so enjoy the beautiful bananas. Yeah, the environment here is very favorable. Yeah, it's not that cold and it's not that hot. Apart from yesterday, oh my goodness, yesterday was super hot. And look at their soil. They have like red soil. Then they have red soil. The water is almost full. At least now I want to go to the stream to fetch water, because I am sure the other big jerry can is almost full. Again, another thunderstorm. By the way, guys, I see your comments. Hey, you people, you love issues. You people, there is a lady who keeps on, how do you say it? She keeps on commenting negatively. But is there one thing for sure? You haven't even noticed that with your negativity, you are not going to stop me from enjoying content, and you're not going to stop me from, being who I am. I started content long ago. I think in 2018. No, 2018 I was just doing for fun. When my dad passed on, that was in COVID, Corona. 5 years ago. Yes, I've been doing content, have been, filming here and there. I have traveled. So you coming in and just saying I'm copying this and this, and I'm copying so and so. I now think that you are the same people who really look at Daudi, guys. You see him? Content is addictive. Daudi, your phone is not waterproof. His phone is not waterproof, but it's just moving on the rain. Daudi. I hope it doesn't get spoiled. Yeah, so guys, back to where I was. And actually, guys, you'll bear with us. The internet is not good here. We're really struggling. We are just shocked that today there is internet, because even now the power is off. I wanted to upload another video later on of the day, but the power just went off. So we had planned to do like 2 to 3 contents a day, but due to internet issues, power shortage, also we are stuck. But we hope inshallah things turn out very well. So anyway, let me get back to my content creation journey. I've done so many content, guys, before, and you coming into my content saying you are looking, copying so and so. As a matter of fact, ever since we went to Marwa's place, that is near Homestead village, we've not even had time to watch people's content, except for Marwa. Yes, except for Marwa, who does a lot of live stream. So that's where we normally concentrate a lot on. We don't watch a lot of others for now, because we were so busy. Remember, Daudi Countryside was not a content creator as well. So I think the rain has reduced. I can now move. Yeah, the GoPro is waterproof. Yeah, guys, welcome to my grandmother's compound. This is her late mom. So I love this fanny. Yeah, that's the brown one is ready. That one is ready. And there's so many who are ready. So guys, if you watch the previous video, I think, is it the previous or the before video? When my grandfather passed on, my grandmother decided to come back to where her mom was buried, because she would want to be buried next to her mom. And yes, it was granted the permission. She came back here. She was born alone by herself, and she had a very triggering story. Like, she was born, she never saw her dad. When the dad passed, when the mother was pregnant with her, so she was all by herself. She never had brothers and sisters, and at some point the mother passed on, so she decided to come and just relax next to her when my grandfather died. So I haven't moved this side. This is her compound, ends up here. Yeah, so from here up to down her side there is my grandmother's land property, all this. So the compound ends in here. Guys, what type of tree is this? So this is the upper neighborhood. I'm so shocked that Daudi has moved this side. Let me go and say hello to these are my grandmother's neighbors. Oh no, again. Guys, I'm afraid of thunderstorm and lightning. Hey, we haven't moved this side though. Sivoti, mbona msalimi watu? Hello. Hello. Njoo nisalimie baba. Salimia mimi. Mama ako wapi? Hodi. The man does not go down. Go this side. Huku. Hii mkono hii. This. Unasikia Kiswahili? Jambo. The ladies go. Mulunji. Mama ako wapi? Hodi. Sema nisalimie. The man does not go down. Unaitwa nani? Ikalaini. Rahim. Unaitwa Rahim? Mama yuko wapi?
Mama.
Odi.
Mama.
Mwache, mwambie bye. Hodi huku. Ako ndani. They don't literally speak Swahili. Let me go say hello to these ones as well. Guys, you know these are just next to my grand. Hello. Jambo. Unajua Kiswahili? Usivotia. Jambo. Mimi pale Kagoya. Iko mimi. Na sabu wa Kenya.
Wa Kenya? Ala dada wange Kagoya.
Na sabu.
Dada yangu. Dada yangu, karibu.
Asante. Hello, msalimia watu. Mulunji.
Pole.
Even huyu anajua kusalimia watu.
Kiswahili hakuna nani msoga hakuna.
Hakuna Kiswahili.
Simu.
Huyu anajua. Unaitwa nani?
Karibu.
Mbona unacheza kwa mvua? Iko mvua, piga hawa.
Kuja hapa. Ida.
Mvua, waka ndani.
Unaitwa mwana wewe.
Huyu ingia ndani baridi.
Ingia. Wewe mvua ananyesha.
Mvua ananyesha. Mvua ananyesha. Ya. Sawa, asante. Kale. Niko pale.
Huyo dada yangu Kagoya. Dada yangu.
Asante. Wewe angalia yeye vizuri, mulunji. Hakuna watu nasalimia. Tanguka mama. Okay, sawa. Mimi iko salimia wewe.
Haya. Asante sana.
Karibu. Sawa. Wewe unajua Kiswahili? You know Swahili? Kizungu?
Luzungu hakuna.
Luzungu hakuna. Kiswahili hakuna.
Boy, ndio Swahili, Luzungu. Akali.
Bana jua. Aya. Nafurahi, nasalimia mama.
Kenya na potea Kenya na potea.
Iko jua Kiswahili. Iko jua Kiswahili.
Na potea Kenya.
Kenya. Sasa nakuja hapa.
Haya.
Naishi hapa. Look at you, anasema hapa. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so interesting. Language barrier. But I need to learn my grandmother's language anyway. My mother's language.
Kagoya nauliza Kiswahili hakuna.
Hey, iko jua Kiswahili. Iko ndani, iko migeni.
Yuko. Mgeni hapa. Bwana yako?
Ametoka, ameenda hivi, salimia.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
Karibu. Mimi iko hapa. Wewe kuja.
Kuja.
Iko Uganda mzuri sana.
Kenya analeta nani mvua hakuna.
Mvua hakuna. Mbona maanguka? Oh my goodness. Maanguka. So she's taking me to my grandmother's. I don't know what she wants to say, but this is how Ugandan people are. Very, very accommodative, very welcoming. I need to go say hello to those neighbors as well. Iko fata huku ama hapa? Tupire ambo. Tupite hapa. Let's go and talk to my grandma first. So guys, the rain have stopped. So haven't even said hello to those neighborhoods of ours. I think we will go there later on of the day. Yeah guys, it's morning hours. I think it's now heading to midday. Yeah, because of the rain things have changed. I've never gone to the stream. Remember in the morning guys, I told you that I'm supposed to be doing laundry, but due to the rain don't know if I'll manage. So when it was raining, I saw a lot of kids going down here. Yeah, so this is all they have harvested sugar cane. Right now what majority of people are harvesting here right now, it is sugar cane, because it has like a lot of income. They have a lot of guys, I hope that is the power is back. I just seen something lightening. Oh no, not really. So it means you guys, you won't see a video. Yeah, that's the challenge we're having here. So what was I saying about the sugarcane? The sugarcane right now, it's a main, how do we call it, cash crop. A lot of sugarcane companies have erupted here. Yeah, Uganda has the best sugarcane, the best sugar. They produce the best sugar and the finest, and majority of the countries get sugar from this place. So these are the sugarcane. So since there is more demand, they decided to grow it. They're not even planting maize anymore, though their maize is nice. Yeah, I love their maize. Oh, you've been rained on, my darlings. These are pumpkin. So this is where actually I'm supposed to be coming to fetch water. I'm supposed to be fetching water this down and doing what? Washing the clothes. So what is it? What's wrong with Daudi? Daudi has kids. I think Daudi is still live. So Daudi is a comedian. Are you crazy? So we fetch water from, this is our street, our borehole where we get water, but you are not allowed to. What is it?
With my friends here,
You are not allowed to wash clothes here. What's wrong with you? Why you make?
Waalaikum salam. Hello, hello.
What is it?
I'm with Kurji here, with Aisha. There's someone else, but I don't see him comment.
I can't see what. Guys, Dawoodi has been having fun.
Yeah, I'm enjoying. There's someone, they are nine, but they don't comment. Oh, they were going down.
What? You fall down.
The children will come.
Guys, seriously. You're not serious.
Let's enjoy.
They
You
have
sing a
better
song.
water
What in
system
Uganda
than
you are
the-
singing?
Look at this one saying. No, don't say that. Every
Yeah?
country has their own way. Like they have better water system than Nyabohanse. They have well with a pump. So every village has people guys like the video.
Yeah.
Like the video. So every village has this. So you people, where are you going?
They are taking the water home. We are going with them.
But there is internet that side. That's what desert has clothes. Anyway, guys, let me go show you how their water system is. So I'm supposed to be fetching water down here. Actually, they call it go out, they call it what? So you swing on it. You see, you pump like that, then the water will come. I can't do it with my phone and at the same time. And then they open it at it's written in their language. They open it at morning hours and then close it at the evening hours. Yeah, so yes, guys, and then it goes down the farm. Yeah, guys, so that is it. They're already still stuck with the kids, so let me go and say hi to also the people that we've been greeting ever since we came here are my uncles, my aunts, all those. But we're enjoying our stay here. We thank God that we came here first from Nyabohanse. We are we enjoyed staying in Nyabohanse, definitely, for sure, because I thank God I met you guys. Yes, I met you guys. But coming here felt like home. And then I don't have the pressure that some of you were giving us. When are you guys leaving? Yes, we are home. So you won't come and pressure us like you have overstayed. Here we can even stay for years. You can just bring our family here and we'll start a life. Because as a matter of fact, being that I'm half Kenyan, half Ugandan, I can stay here. That's something that maybe you didn't know. So I hope I'm not gonna get the comments that you have overstayed. Not really at all. There is this one that I've seen, but I don't know. This is not how do you call it? And this is avocado. Not avocado. How do we call this thing? I don't know its name in English. If I remember, I'll let you know. So yeah, guys, one thing that we are enjoying here, no pressure of haters that you have overstayed. Stop showing people's compound. Stop doing this. So we are now free. We can show anything that we want. There is coffee. One thing with Ugandans, they have variety of food around them. So there's something I was talking about. Definitely I've forgotten. Not forgotten per se. This is an outdoor shower. This is an outdoor shower. So there is something that I mentioned earlier on, that people be saying, why are you doing same content as this person, why are you doing this and this and this. I don't watch people's contents, honestly speaking. And one thing for sure, even if I watch other people's content, it is just pure inspiration, because my story and somebody's story will not be the same, will not be the same. And also, as a matter of fact, everybody has different personalities, everybody has different way of communicating. Guys, I learned in a very, very good school. In a matter of fact, I was in a national school. And in our school, we used to speak English only on Friday for the French speaking communities. Yes, so on Friday used to be Swahili Day, but for us French students, we used to speak French. So I was in a very, very good school. In fact, those people who are not even eloquent enough. Yes, I studied with people who are doing, some were doing British system, some were doing American system. So for me, I went with the British. And since we had many of the people who are doing American system, we couldn't interact with them here and there. Yes, so when you come here and tell me I'm imitating so and so, you're speaking like so and so, I'm like, really? Come on, my darling. I was in a very, very good school. Best school, to be precise. But I wasn't good in English. Fun fact. I wasn't good in English. To an extent, I never used to talk in English. Yeah. Let me excuse Daudi. I've never seen something like this. Unachanganya na marage hapa, alafu fry. Nitakuja kukula. Cassavas and beans. Okay, mimi iko kuja kula. Aya. Twende tusalimie mzungu. Twende tusalimie mzungu. Aya mlunzi. Aya. Aya. Twende tusalimie mzungu. Salimia mzungu. This kid sings that. Mzungu. Asa salimia mzungu. I have friends here. Huh? They're thinking that we can't say something. Hey, boss. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, yeah. I have guests for you. Oh, you save. They want to say hello to you. Huh? Guys, all this. Which one? Huh? They want to say hello to you. They think that you're a Muzungu. Osivotia. Osivotia. Way! Good! Yeah.
Actually, there's more people inside.
Yeah, they're waiting for you.
So it's
Let me see.
What is it saying?
No, it is processing.
The network, it needs a lot of bundles.
No. See, it's already
Oh, so it's just processing and then here, because here is network problem.
Yeah. Hey, you've had a long time, Olan.
1 hour. You actually, if the rain was going on, I would go like 2 hours.
Okay, we haven't even greeted those ones.
Let's go then, and then we'll continue your vlog.
Okay. So guys, we were invited for lunch. Today we're eating something that we've never tried. So we are eating sweet potato and meat.
10%. 10%.
Bismillah. Never tried this before. Hi guys, so it is much later. Why are you running? The kids are running. Hello, Sivotia. Oh, Sivotia. Oh, Sivotia. The kids are running away. I am Lunch. That one doesn't have clothes. Ooh, good girl. That one doesn't have clothes. I don't want to show. I will have a copyright claim. So I'm moving. Lunch. So men don't go down. So I'm moving towards this end because of the loud music. Guys, I didn't know that Ugandan people love music just like we Kenyans do. Anyway, we ate at one of my uncle's yes place. So right now we are just strolling. We passed by is he my cousin? He's not my cousin. He calls me mom. So there is somebody who commented on Daudi countryside that was rude to call him like you're a big person and you are like my son. Of course, yes guys, here there are so many cultural practices and the way they do their things. Actually, even me at times it gets me confused because I can't be introduced to someone, meet your son. Like even today in the morning, like my grandmother introduced me to someone like talk to your son, and the man was way even older than me. So when I said I was like, no, he's very old, he's not like my child. They told me no, that's the norm and you have to respect that. So guys, please be on easy on us. This is Ugandan culture. Especially here at the Busoga Kingdom, they have a lot of cultural practices. Oh, they also have sunsets. Wow, that is pretty nice. Anyway guys, I just want to end this video here. I don't want it to be long. You've noticed we are trying to upload shorter videos because of internet situation. Yeah, definitely when we go back home or maybe when we go to Ginger Town, we will have the internet flow so that we can upload longer videos. But for now guys, you'll just bear with us. So I want to really thank you guys for the love and support you've shown me in my vlogs. Also at Daudi countryside, we're really grateful guys, and continue supporting us. Imagine it rained and right now even the soil has dried up. I wish I was filming while coming from my uncle's place, though there was so many music at the center. Yeah, we have like a small center here, like a shopping area where they get like small items like sugar, salt and so and so. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video to this part. I really appreciate. In case it's your very first time here, I am Miss Hongo, a Kenyan based content creator. Right now I'm coming live from Mombasa. I'm used to Mombasa. I'm coming live from Uganda. Sorry guys, live from Uganda. You see, I'm even sitting next to Batoke. Yeah, coming live from Ginger, Uganda, eastern side of Uganda. And in case you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Remember, subscribing is completely free of charge. So guys, see you in my next video. Subscribe.